Hello everyone, my name is Pondani Edward Mwale, the Pure Society President. Pure means progressing under recession education. This society basically educates people on how to progress under different difficulties. We empower the youth through sports, through dance, through culture, through entertainment, and through music. Basically, we want to connect the whole SADC region, being Angola, Namibia, Botswana, Zimbabwe, South Africa, Zambia. We want all the youth in these countries to form a diverse but connected network that's going to help us empower each other through cross-country telecommunication. Basically, the Pure Society is a society that's been in existence for 3 years. It was founded in 2010 by university students at the University of Namibia on 27th of February and has been running ever since. We are now currently registering it in Zambia, and from Zambia we intend to move to Botswana and South Africa. You can find us on www.thepuresociety.webs.com www.thepuresociety.webs.com. We're still working on our website, we're still trying to get more members, we're still trying to get people all over to join. So start joining, start signing up, because that's the only way we're going to communicate with you and give you more information about our society. Since 2010, we have a football team called the Pure Society Football Club. We have a basketball team we call the Dream Team. We have our own theme song called The Recession, which was written by Sean Yud, the Namib Cowboy. And we have worked with an orphanage called Mama Anna Foundation, among others, for less privileged children. This was an opportunity we got to show the kids that it does not matter what people think of you, where you come from. What matters is how big your heart is. And that's what basically Pure Society is. It's about people who've got a very big heart that is synonymous to that of empowerment. And we want to empower the youth, because they say that the trees of today are the forests of tomorrow, and us, the youth, are the trees of today. And for sure, we are the forests of tomorrow and the future leaders of our countries. And I think the best way we can do it is if we unite and stand up for one another and stand up for what's right. Because this is 2013. Things have to change, and things change now. Because together we stand and divided we fall. I am Pondani Edward Mwale, the Pure Society President. Thank you.